Hello everyone, welcome to Beachcomber Cosina. I just wanted to make you aware that Costco have that dupe of the Bogg bag, and it is just as good. This is $37.99 in store, and online they're selling it, I believe, for $49.99. Don't quote me on it, but I think that's what it is. It comes with comes in a bunch of different colors, but I picked the blue one. I don't even know what color it is. Does it say what color?
I think it's like a light blue.
Like a light blue, definitely. And I love the fact that it brings the straps. It also brings a box with all the utensils that you need to attach, like the straps.
And this little pouch that maybe you can put your phone in, or maybe some snacks.
Yes, and the problem with these is that they have these little things in the back that you actually have to twist and turn. Twist. You basically have to twist them like this, and then you twist like that. So basically you have to do clockwise turn. And then basically it will be can you give me that one? Just be careful with this.
Sorry.
Okay. So basically this is how it goes. You actually
Let's turn that around so you can see it.
you actually put this inside first, right?
Put it inside like
In the butt bag.
and then you
Show
put,
them because they need to see.
So you put it inside like that,
And then you put the cap in the
put
bag.
it inside
And then you turn it clockwise.
until you hear it click a little.
And you're gonna turn it like this, like right here. And it's gonna turn
And
clockwise.
then it's gonna click, and then it's gonna click.
It's almost like a lucky mechanism, like a tic tac. It's almost like you're doing it clockwise.
I don't know how
And then show them again how to do that.
I don't know how to open it. It's
No,
really
okay.
hard.
So basically you have to hold them back and then twist. It's a little of a task to do.
Is it your right or the left side?
It's this way, right? Right? What did I say?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So righty tighty.
So actually, righty loosey and lefty loosey.
No, it's righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Okay, well she knows more than I do. So there you go.
I forgot the righty one.
Okay, so now we're gonna go back and put the other one inside of it again.
Yeah.
So this one is $37.99
And there's
instead of the 98 or 100 or I don't even know how much the Bogg costs. But I have tried buying different ones from Amazon and it haven't worked out. But I saw this one at Costco and I was like, I scooped it out. They only had like 2 more, right? 2 more?
I don't remember.
I think they had 2 or 3 more of this color. Then they had like almost like
Yeah, they had like
a peachy color. And then they had a green color, but I think this is my favorite one. Obviously, blue is my favorite color, so
I think it's really cute.
You like this color too,
want
right?
One.
Yeah, you really want one? Or you can use mine.
Yeah, this is hard to do.
So remember, clockwise. Clockwise.
There's the small ones.
Clockwise. Okay, it's a little bit hard, but it's clockwise. Look, like that. That is open, and then that is close. Open. And you can see the little edges that in here and here, and then in here. Then you put it right next to each other, nest together, and then you twist, and then it'll lock.
Oh, I did it.
Oh, perfect, you got it.
Yay.
Okay.
I'm gonna be doing the big one. And this one, the big one's for
Is
the
it like
sides.
this, Genesis?
Yeah, you put it in, and then you just put.
Hold on, we have to make sure that it's lining up, right?
Yeah, like that, and I think it's like that. Yeah.
No, is it like that?
And
No.
ooh,
It's
at least it's connected to that thing.
I think it goes like that, right? Oops, me cayó. Okay, it fell down. Let's see. Give me.
Got it here. Just put it.
Yeah, I think it goes like that. Does it go like that?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, no.
Oh no, the other way, like that, right? Like that, yeah. Okay. So basically, you just have to find a way of making it. Oh yeah, that's the way it goes. Okay. Now we go back and we put that in the same spot, like align it together and then twist.
Until it clicks.
Until it clicks, and it's almost like it's going to be easy
Like that. Oh,
to
that's
do.
the way. I think this is the way.
And this is called the Beachcomber Bag, and then it's supposed to be max 44 pound. So definitely it have a lot of room to it. You have 3 straps. that you can put on.
I'm putting the big one now.
And Genesis is putting the last straps in. Click that in.
I think I put it the wrong way.
No, you did it the right way.
Yeah, I was good.
Just do the other way. Okay, you have to press both of them so you can click. I think it's already clicked.
No,
Did it click?
No, I didn't hear it click. Yes, it's not done.
Okay, maybe that doesn't go there. Okay, hold on. Now, click. Okay. Because you have to hold both the back and the front to be able to click it in.
Just do this one.
Okay, well, if you didn't do the other one, so I was trying to help you.
I wasn't able to close it, but I opened it. See?
Okay, go ahead, put it in.
This one in. Oh. Let me just put it in. Come on in.
Sí, estamos ahí bien. Yo te ahora.
You have to press the back of the front. You cannot just do the back and front. You have to press both at the same time and then twist. And then this have to be up because if it's not up, it's not gonna click. Okay.
Sí.
It's not in the right place.
Sí.
This one is a little bit harder to do because you have a thick mass right here. Wow, this is hard, Genesis. You're right. It's not clicking. This one is not clicking right here. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that one is a little bit harder because it's a thicker material right here. And it's not really clicking. Now click. Okay. Wow, that was hard to do.
Okay, so we have in the pouch, it has this little thing right here. I think it, like you can like clip it or something. And it has Velcro. And there is a little front thing that you can put stuff in with like your phone or something. And then there's a big area. And this is where like you can put it on the bag. I put it like maybe like somewhere
Let me
like
see
over
something
here.
because I don't think they were saying anything. Okay, so this is the Velcro right here. And then you can just put it like that to seal it. And then you have, you can see if this is your phone that you want your phone in there. You also have
Another like a little, this is like the little compartment, and then there's a big compartment.
yeah,
So that's like maybe a little one. for
like
the
a
top.
see-through compartment.
So like you can see what's in there, and then you have a big one that has a lot of storage.
How are you gonna put this on?
So you have these little things like the car.
Like little hooks? Yeah.
Yeah, little hooks. And then you're just gonna like slide them in.
Let me see where it says it's supposed to go.
I can check on this. I'm really good at puzzles. So gonna be one down. So right here, somewhere like right here.
Okay, got it. Okay,
These pegs are not even.
okay, so we
Look,
put it.
kind of.
Maybe it's not even because it's supposed to be like pulling to it. Okay, let's try to put one in the other time. Oh wow, this is hard. Did this thing come up?
Maybe what they do, maybe.
Or maybe no, it does not push to her, right? Do you think they come up? No, they don't, right? Hold on, let me see. I'm not sure if this thing. Oh, I think they might come up. Haven't.
Let me just see something. I need to see if this one.
I don't know if this thing's come off. Let's see. That's the only thing that is going to be a little hard to put in. Oh, you have to put like half of it in, maybe?
Yeah, I think they're doing
And then push.
pressure.
Pressure. I have to say they're very hard to push in. Oh, you got it. Oh, went in. Okay.
So this one.
It goes.
Yeah, they look very uneven.
No, they're even. They're even.
No, not.
They look like they're not even, but because you have to give it a little room, it's going to be fine, okay? So don't stress too much about it, okay? So here we have our dupe of the Bogg bag from Costco, and it's $37.99. So definitely this is actually something that is worth investing into it. I really like the knobs that make them secure and snap into place. And this is how the bags look. And I'm gonna put the link on the Costco website for you to look it up. But if you want it, you might as well go get it now because they didn't have that many when I saw it. So I really, really like it. I think it's going to play a great addition for when we go to the beach. We can put stuff into it. This is when the stuff came off. So we have to make sure that this thing snap into place, because if it doesn't, then that means that it's not going to. There you go. I'll see you next time on Beast Cosina. If no one tell you, you're special just the way you are. Goodbye.